Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn Advanced Custom Fields Pro. So we are using the custom fields, like we by use this plugin we are going to create the custom fields and we can access it on any page, any post, anywhere. It makes the life easy for a developer. You can use it and you can go by anything, right? So if I'm going to activate this, okay, so I'm activating this plugin, customize WordPress plugin. Here custom fields come here, right? So here I'm going to add new feature. Here we need to define, suppose here I'm going to add a title like home page. Mm, okay. So here I'm going to add the title like text, like title, you can say need title. Here I need to add caps for the management. Field name it will automatically take. Okay. So here I have added only the text field, right? So where I need to show it, post type, post template, post status. I want page template. Which template? I have created the contact template, right? So page template, contact template. Okay, I'm going to add this. I'm going to save this now. So this is title, and on which page it's gonna be added in the contact template. Let's check the pages. In the pages, we have a contact template, contacts. Let's edit it. It has the contact template, right? So see, it has the contact template, but here is the title home. I'm going to add this. Hello, this is contact. This is contact page, right? I'm going to update this. Okay, I'm going to view this page. What happens? This is custom posts are showing. I think we have added this one. Let me go to the themes, WP content themes. We have encoded. We have page templates, page contact. Here I am just adding the post type, so I'm going to comment all this functionality or remove this functionality for now. Okay, so this is done. So if I go and view this page, it's empty with header and footer, right? Now I'm going to make it dynamic. So how I can do that? I have added the title. So there's a documentation called ACF WordPress, right? So you can get this documentation, full documentation here. What I have created, I have created a text field. This I'm going to get it. Like just paste this code. Get field. What is my field name? Let me check what's my field name. So how you can check the field name? Let's go to the your custom. Here you need to go to the custom fields. Let's this is home edit, and here you can there this name. This is title. If I go and just add only title, here I'm going to add title, and so title should be there. Let's reload this page and check. Hello, this is contact page, right? So it's very easy. If you have the plugin, you can do anything. Just it makes the life easy for the developer. If you're using the custom meta boxes, then add this, then get this, then add conditions, this is so hustle. So for this it is very easy. Let's take an example of one more, and here I'm going to add, let's go to the custom fields. Here I'm going to add one more field, which name is like image. Okay, so here it's email, which image will come. Type would be the image, image array. Yeah, it's gonna be image array, and allow type, no, just add this field. No, just close this, we no don't read, and let's save this. Let's update this. After this update, Here, let me remove this image is there. Let's go to update this and go to the pages. Let's go to the contacts page. Here I need to check where is image. So here is no image selected. I'm going to add this image and select this image. I'm going to update this. Image is coming. Now please, now you can get this image by using this image source. Control C. I'm going to put the full image one, right? So I'm going to copy this full and add it over here. My name, the field name is image. Let's check one, verify whether it is correct or not. It's image. Okay, so image, it is there. We have done this. On image we get the URL, and alt with this it has the alt functionality. Okay, let's go this and reload this. Image is coming, right? So this way you can make the full page dynamic. Okay, and in the next video we will discuss about the repeaters. Like suppose we have the four sections. In the four sections you want to repeat that section. Don't you can say, let's take an example of like any theme, bootstrap templates. Okay, so let's check any bootstrap template over here. So I'm going to add, let's open this template. Suppose live demo. See this section. This section has image, title, and text. Image, title, text, image, title, text. You don't need to add a particular field for that. For this, we are going to use the repeaters. So let's, in the next video, we will cover this, how you are using the repeaters in the ECF custom fields and how to get it and make this dynamic custom blocks. Okay. So hope you will understand about the ECF, and please do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great day.